Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Epic Games on your Windows PC or laptop. So what you want to do, open up your browser guys, and you simply want to type in the word Epic Games. From your result you will see a store.epic games. You want to click on this option that says download the Epic Games launcher, and here you will see a web page where it's the official store here for Epic Games. Now if you look here, you can see it says install on Windows, and that's what we want. You can also click the download on the upper right hand side as well. It's also available on Mac, Android, or even your iPhone, so iOS devices as well, right? So we'll go ahead and click on install on Windows. It's going to quickly download for us here, as it's in Google Chrome. It's right on the upper right hand side as well. So once it is done, I'm going to click on this exe file here to install it on Windows. So what it's going to do, it's going to appear on the PC, and as you can see here, it is now shown. I'm going to click on install. This icon here, it simply means that it's going to require administrative privilege. So once I click on install, it should pop up and ask me to confirm on my PC. So once that's done, once that pops up, click on yes on your PC, and it's going to start to install the Epic Games for you. What I want to mention in the meantime as well, guys, that if you don't have an account, you will be required to create an account. Otherwise, if you have an Epic Games account, then you are no problem here. You'll just need to sign in afterwards. So I'm gonna wait for it to complete. It's gonna maybe require the services as well, so you might get a second pop-up ask you to confirm Epic Games services. There you have it. It pops up on my screen for a moment, and I just select yes, and it's gonna continue the process of installing Epic Games for me. Now it's gonna appear again, and it's gonna quickly do some verification here, and it's gonna do some updating. So let's just wait for that. Now it's currently downloading the updates. Now depending on the speed of your internet and PC, it can be pretty quick. Otherwise you just need to be patient and wait for this 437 megabytes to be completed. It's actually pretty fast. And now it's currently cleaning the update, and yep, let's wait for it to appear. And here you have the box up here guys, and it basically asks to create an account. So if you have an account, just simply click sign in, and if you don't, you can use one of the options here below. In my case, I'm going to quickly choose, for example, Gmail here, and I'm going to confirm it. But regardless or not, you want to go ahead and create an account. So as you can see, it's gonna mention to me that if I have an account, then if I don't have an account, I need to go ahead and create one. So I don't have one, so I'm gonna create one real quick, walk you through that process as well. I'm gonna make up something here. Let's choose, for example, December, and I'm gonna choose 4th, and I'm gonna say 1990 as an example. I need to put another one there, so let's put 1990 as an example, and I'm gonna click and continue. Here's asking some details here, and email address, name, so I'm gonna click and just accept the terms here. And display name, I'm gonna say Drew. Let's put 101 as an example to make up something. And what else is asking for a last name? I'm gonna just say tutorial as an example. And it says that this username is already taken, so let's put, for example, another 0 here, and there you have it. So we make up a username, and it says that this username is already taken, so we're going to add another 0 here to it. So that one is accepted. So click and continue from here, and here it's going to send something to your email address, a code. So you want to go to your email address because it's going to send some code to your email address. So you just want to wait until you receive the verification code in your email. Go ahead and copy that, and you want to go back to the app and just Control V to paste it in. It's going to verify your email address, and once that is done, it says successful. You click and continue from there, and guess what guys, you have the Epic Game Launcher here readily available on your PC. And that's it. We're in guys, we're in the Epic Game Launcher. That's how you go ahead and download and install the Epic Game Launcher on your Windows PC or laptop. Very easy and very simple.